Higher Math exercise 5.3, we are starting exponential equation question 4. Root 3 to the power x plus 5 equals to cubic root of 3 to the power 2x plus 5. We are going to find out the value of x first. Here is a cubic root. We can write 3 to the power 1 by 2, right? How? Root n equals to n to the power 1 by n, and here is a times x plus 5 equal. Against cubic root we can write 3 to the power 1 by 3 times 2x plus 5. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. We can write m equals to n, because once base are same, that time power will be equal. So this case 3 and 3 base are same, so we can write 1 by 2, or this one also we can write x plus 5 by 2 equals to 2x plus 5 by 3. Right? Now very simple. We are going to multiply. It's a cross multiplication. So 2 times 2x plus 5, and here is a 3 times x plus 5. Now it will be 4x plus 10, and here is a 3x plus 15. Now both sides we are subtract by 3x, so it will be 4x minus 3x, and we also subtract 10, so this plus 10 will be out, and here is a 3x already out because we are subtract both sides by 3x. So here is a 15 minus 10, and now 4x minus 3x equals to x equals to 15 minus 10, it means 5. This is our answer. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Number 4 done. Question 5. Fifth root of 4 to the power 4x plus 7 equals to 11th root of 64 to the power 2x plus 7. We are going to find out the value of x, right? So we know nth root of a, or a root of n, can be write a to the power 1 by a. Same thing we can write 4 to the power, against fifth root we can write 1 by 5, and here is a times 4x plus 7. Here is also same thing, 64 to the power 1 divided 11 times 2x plus 7. So this one we can write 4 to the power 4x plus 7 divide 5, and against this 64 we can write 4 to the power 3. So 4 to the power 3 times 2x plus 7 divided 11. Okay, so very simple. Now it's the main part. We know a to the power m equals to a to the power n. What does mean? It means once base are same, that time power will be equal. So we can write 4x plus 7 by 5 times 3 times 2, it means 6x plus 3 times 7 is a 21 divided 11. So this two fraction we can cross multiply, like 11 times 4x plus 7 equals to 5 times 6x plus 21. So what will be the value? 11 times 4 is a 44. Here is x. 11 times 7, 77, equals to 5 times 6, 30x, and 5 times 21, it's a 105. So here is a 44x minus 30x and 105 minus 77. So here will be 44x minus 30x, it means 14x. And here is a 15 minus 7, it's a 8, carry 1, 8, 10 minus 8, it will be 2. So now we are dividing both sides 14, so x equals to 28 divide 14, so it will be 2. So we can say our answer x equals to 2. Very simple. So after this we have completed number 4 and 5. Question 6. 3 to the power 3x minus 4 times a to the power 2x minus 5 divide 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to a to the power 2x minus 5. But here is a condition, a should be greater than 0. So this case, what can we do? Here is a 3 and here is a 3. It means if base are same, that means a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power m minus n. So this case we can write 3 and 3x minus 4 minus x plus 1, right? And this one we are dividing both sides by a to the power 2x minus 5. So this case we can write a to the power 2x minus 5 divide a to the power 2x minus 5. Very simple. Now look, here will be 3 to the power 3x minus 4. So here is a minus x minus plus, it will be minus 1. And look, it's a, we can divide, we will get 1. Now here is a 3 to the power 3x minus x, it will be 2x minus 4 minus 1, it will be minus 5. And what can we do against this 1? We can write a to the power 0, because we know 3 to the power 0, it means 1. We know a to the power 0 equals to 1. Now look, the base are same. We also know once base are same, a to the power m equals to a to the power n. We can write m equals to n. So finally we can write 2x minus 5 equals to 0. We are adding both sides by 5, so 2x equals to 5. Now we are dividing both sides by 2, so x equals to 5 divide 2. And this is our answer. Very simple. So this video we are trying to solve 4, 5, 6. The next video will come very soon. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.